Booger Sugar. Yeah. Talk to me. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy's here. And Riri's here. Yeah. Yeah. That's my boy. Talk to me.
Irie.
Talk to me. Hi, Mitters.
Hi, baby.
Here, put it down below your face so you can see your face, and then... Yeah. What are those fake cuffs for? You sympathy cuffs? You trying to get sympathy? You ain't no sick baby. You ain't no sick baby. Uh-oh. He's starting to... Yeah. Go ahead. Hi, Irie. Hi. Nope.
He's looking at the light. Look at the light. Look at me. Irie.
Hi, buddy. Yeah.
I'm trying to video to Smiley.
Hi, Debbie. Yeah, he's being smiley so far. It's about nap time. It's about nap time.
See, they're still trying to figure it out.
Mike brings him over here because, damn it, Debbie, every time you come in, then he's like all smiling.
Oh, I can't.
Hi, mister, how are you?
Yeah.
How are you?
You've seen this person before.
I taught him that trick. He about puts his whole fist in his mouth. Don't you? You tried to at my house.
Yes.
That's so nice.
So
cute. Hi. Okay.